Hey guys, it's Dwayna aka Glamazon1026 and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are doing another mini tutorial and we are going to be using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. So we're going to be able to see this in action. You'll see exactly how this is working and it might give you a better understanding of what the colors and the pigmentations look like and if you want to go out and spend your money on it. Today we are going to be learning how to smoke out our lower lash line. I think that is the perfect technique to learn for fall. Let's get into it so that this could still be a mini tutorial. We're not trying to go over 5 minutes, okay guys? So today we are doing a smoked out lash line eyeshadow look in a mini tutorial format. So we're going to start this off like usual. This side is already done. We are going to get this side to match it perfectly. And you guys are going to learn a new skill in under 5 minutes. So first we're going to take my MAC 217 and we're going to dip it into Crushing and we're going to use this as our transition shade. I'm just going to keep building that pigment up until I get it to where I want it. Alright, perfect. We are going to take that same brush and we're going to go into Cherry on Top and we're going to use this as our crease color. Now we'll go back and forth until we have the blend that we want on this eye. Next, we're taking our NYX mixing medium and some concealer. This is just random concealer that I had on the back of my hand from earlier. So I'm just going to add some mixing medium to that, mix it up, and make a paste so that I can put down the shimmer on my actual lid. Once that's down, we're taking our flat shader brush with the shade Soda Fizz, and we're just going to slather that all over our lid. I'm breaking out my Wet n Wild Mega Line eyeliner in the shade Brown because we are going to make this a smoked out brown lash line. So in order to do that, you want to line your lid kind of at an angle like you were going to do a wing, but we're not going to complete the wing. So before that dries, you want to take a small crease brush. This is the Makeup Geek small crease brush, and I'm taking it and putting a little bit of Root Beer on the brush, and I'm just going to take it and smudge that line. So back here, like in the front of your eye, you want to be able to see that line, but in the back, you don't want to see it at all. You want it to be like smudged out. And as you get higher up on the lid, you want to stop using as much powder. So right now, I don't have any extra powder on my brush. I'm just going in and blending this dark brown into my outer V, the line that I made with the liquid liner, and up into my crease. I'm putting on the Hustle and Glow lashes in the style Moon Rocks. And I'm going to use the shade Tonic as a brow bone highlight. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on smoking out your lower lash line. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. That button is right below the screen. Also make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and click the bell so that you can get notifications so you know exactly when I am uploading. Please do not forget to follow me at Glamazon1026 on Instagram and Twitter, and I will be there to answer any questions that you have about this video or any of the other videos that I have put up on my channel. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.